So, once again, we are going to have Earl pick the winner of Superb Owl 2022. Last year he was wrong. So, if you're a betting man and you're basing your bets on Earl, shame on you. But if you are, maybe pick the one that he doesn't pick.
Here we go.
Because he's just a bird.
He's just a bird. But let's see how accurate he can be this year.
For Earl to choose, we have the LA Rams, Cincinnati Bengals. We're going to put a treat on each, sit him down on the table here, and see where he goes. My guess is he's not going to go to either one. Let's see.
Okay, Earl, which one is it?
Step down.
Come on, Earl, make your choice. Which do you pick? Which does Earl pick? Think hard. Which one do you think, Earl? Gotta think about it a little bit. You make your choice. Oh, he's thinking about the Cincinnati Bengals. Oh! I don't know. Which is he going to choose? Kind of thought about both of them a little bit. Which one, Earl? Which one is it? Are you not happy with either of the teams? Who'd you want? Go ahead, Earl. Make your choice. Go ahead and choose away. Think about it. Think about it a little bit, then make your choice. Take a little break. It's a lot to think about. Which one will you choose? Which one will you choose? Which one, Earl? Which one? Is the Rams there? Bengals over here. Which one's a better choice? Which one will you choose? Okay, we gave Gwenny the chips.
She likes both teams.
She likes both teams. She said they're both great. Now we're going to try once again with Earl with a walnut and see if maybe he'll like to choose. We'll put them at the same time. Oh. Okay, he might. Well, now he's. What does that mean? Does that mean he likes them or
hates them?
Hates them. Which would you think? He's not very happy with the LA Rams, I don't think. He says tear those guys up. I think he's chosen. What do you think? But I don't know what it means. Does it mean he does like them or doesn't like them? I don't know. What does that mean?
Loves the Rams.
I don't know if he likes them or loves them, but we're going to try again. Let Earl make his decision. See what he decides this time. Oh, I think now he's going to choose. I think he's chosen the Rams. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to say that Earl chooses the Rams. He chooses to chew up their card instead of eating the treat or letting us know how he feels about either one. But he really wants, I think he wants the LA Rams to win this one. Let's see how he does. I don't know, but guess we'll find out on Superb Owl Sunday 2022.